Welcome to Gil's Kitchen. Today, we are making cheesy stuffed sweet potatoes. Here's everything you need. Wash fresh sweet potatoes thoroughly under running water. Slice sweet potatoes in half and season with olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Bake seasoned sweet potatoes until soft and lightly caramelized. Scoop out the baked sweet potato center and prepare it for the cheesy filling. Mix sweet potato filling with butter, mozzarella, cheddar, and seasonings. Fill the sweet potato shells with the creamy cheesy mixture. Top each sweet potato with a generous layer of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Bake until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and golden brown. That's it. Enjoy your cheesy stuffed sweet potatoes, and don't forget to follow Gil's Kitchen for more delicious recipes.